Nah, yeah. Obviously, I'm back. Unfortunate. I had to end my World Cup short due to injury. Thankfully, this one is not a major one. But I'm excited to be back. Looking forward to rehab, get back stronger, and contribute to the team. It was a good experience to be involved in the environment of Rugby World Cup. But now I have another focus, is to get my body right and work with you guys and make sure we get some results this year. For the game tomorrow, I wish you guys all the best. Unfortunately, I won't be here as well. I have to fly over to Australia and get some more medical check. I wish you guys all the best, and I'll be supporting you guys from Australia.